Hi, I'm going to teach you today how to do auto includes and how to actually make the include file. So let me share my screen and I will show you just exactly how to make it first. The first thing you need to have, I'm going to go over here to manage jobs. You need to have a case file that's called include. And to do that is you can go up here to file, new, and case, or I have an icon for it. You just click the icon and name it include. So I have include right here. Here's include. And here are the types of cases I have, files I have in here. I have title pages, appeal title pages, regular title pages, multiple attorney title pages, and I have some jury index things. So also the files down here that start with a Z, those are like my people's received, people marked, court exhibits marked, those kinds of things. I named that Z at the beginning, so I know they're at the end of this include file. I can find them quickly. So you can name them what you want, but I have them named this way. So I'm going to show you two ways of how you can use this include. You can be, here, let me just show you how, this is a file, a blank file. Let me show you that. So say you want to have your people sworn. You hit F9 in your edit. F9 brings up this case and says, what do you want to include? I have it set to come up to include because it will use the last case you did. If you don't have include, it probably came up like this, and you would look for your include file and hit include. Okay, so that's how you make sure. Oops, I wasn't planning on bringing that in. F9 include. So now we're going to show you different things you can bring in. You could bring in, say, your title page. Here's a title page. You just bring it in, and here's all your title page. You would scan to these things and you would fix them. You don't have to keep doing them over and over. It's all ready to go right here. So let me take that out. F9 will also bring in things like people sworn. Oops, it doesn't like that. It's Z people sworn. So now I have my witness being sworn, and I have all of these files are all ready to go with all of my auto indexing in them already. That's a whole other video. If you look down here on the bottom here, I have my cap on and index heading on, orphan control, index off. All of this is all right here. So that when I go at the end of my file, I go to make a dictionary, I make an index, all of that is done automatically. So let me get out of that. So say I want it to have included, I'll do F9. Maybe I wanted it to be Z people sworn with the interpreter. Here's a Z people sworn with the interpreter. So now it comes up testified as follows through the interpreter. So those are if you're editing and you wanted to bring it in. I have all of those files, I can bring it in. But what if you want to write that as a steno and have it be brought in automatically? Let me show you how that is done. You would go into your personal dictionary. You would go up here to edit and insert auto include. This is where you decide, well, I'm going to do POERNZ for the people calling a witness. Okay, so that's your steno. Then you click browse, and then it says, what file do you want me to bring in when we do that? Well, I want it to be from include, and I want it to be the Z people sworn. There it is. So now I have told it in my personal dictionary, I have told it, I'm going to write POERNZ, and I want you to bring in that file from the include files and just insert it right here. So from then on, whenever you type that, I'm going to do it manually, but when you type that, it will automatically put the Z people sworn. So I do that all from the writer. I do that, and then I do my direct examination that has I have all of those done. Those are not include files. I've done those as personal dictionary entries, and I can do a separate video just for that. But auto indexing is the key for making sure we have indexes that are not done with just a click of a button and I change nothing. Once you have it set up, it's set up. So this is a perfect example of where you would use your include files. So I hope that answered your questions. I know I had a specific request for include files and auto include. So I hope I was able to answer that question. If not, make sure you send me an email. I will put my email address right here. And make sure you can realtime csr@comcast.net. If that did not answer your question, please be sure to email me and let me know, and I'll try to address it a little more succinctly. And make sure you subscribe below, because then you'll get notified when I upload a new video. Okay, thanks.